Musamsele could post a post yesterday says Macele, she have got a good heart. He post a post about Macele, especially Macele and Mayeni. You understand? He was commenting good things about Macele just because Macele accept the 50 wife. Just because Macele accept the 50 wives, he says Macele, she have got a good heart. What? Guys, I saw most of the time Musamsele when he was commenting about Macele and Mayeni, but Makumalo, especially Makumalo, when he posts a picture, he doesn't talk most of too much things. You understand? He doesn't commenting too much things about Makumalo. Guys, Makumalo, he was supporting Musamseleko most of the time. But Makumalo changed her behavior about the 50 wife. Just because, guys, most of the time when you are supporting that man, Musamseleko, he doesn't appreciate Makumalo. Guys, let's talk the truth. Because Makumalo, she is the person who's supporting Musamseleko. You understand? But he doesn't commenting good things about Makumalo. Guys, I don't think that Musamseleko loves Makumalo the way he loves Macele and Mayeni. Just guys, Mangwabe, we don't blame Mangwabe sometimes because Mangwabe saw that Musamseleko he wants to use them. Mangwabe Makumalo. You understand? And the number 5 Makwela. I think that Musamseleko he wants to use those women to to have kids because guys, why Mangwabe nowadays she doesn't not in love with Musamseleko. Even Musamseleko, guys, it's long time Musamseleko posting Mangwabe. You understand? Because nowadays Musamseleko he is posting Mayen a lot and Macele. Makumalo maybe sometimes he posting him, but he doesn't commenting good things about Makumalo. But he posting yeah, Lana la, but not like not like Macele and Mayeni. Understand? Because he is commenting good things about Macele just because Macele she accepting the number 5, but Macele doesn't like Makumalo. You understand? Guys, sometimes Musamseleko, I think that sometimes he loves Macele and Mayeni a lot. That's why Mangwabi, I don't think that Musamseleko they are together with Mangwabi. You understand? Because Musamseleko loves Mangwabi a lot, but nowadays it's long time Musamseleko he is posting about Mangwabi. You understand? Because guys, sometimes Mangwabe she is right because she shows that man he is very selfish. That's why Mangwabe nowadays she doesn't care about him. She cares about her and her kids nowadays.